Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl G Vanity here with another video. This time I have my muse here, Renee. I posted her IG in the beginning of the video, so make sure you guys go check her out on Instagram. So today I am doing just a really natural, subtle look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Continue watching. For her eyebrows, I used the L'Oreal Stylist Definer pencil in soft black, and I am using concealer just to clean up her brows.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands.
Normally, I would never use like eyeshadow or concealer as a base on the eye when I know I'm just going to leave it as is, but I had no more eyeshadow base anywhere, so and I didn't have time to go get some, so right now I'm just using an foundation as eyeshadow base, which is not good because it just cracks more. It doesn't really blend out really good, so it doesn't set really well, but I still use that, and I added some brown shadow at the end on top of the eyes.
To the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And now I am applying her lashes. I take the glue and I apply it on her lash line first, and I apply a little bit on the lashes, and then when it's tacky I put them on.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highway.
And right now I am using this Smashbox primer all over her face.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
For foundation, I use two different foundations. This one right now is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Matte Foundation in the color Kampala 340. And the one I'm putting right now is the Huda Beauty Foundation in the color Cocoa, which is 510R. And I just used those two foundations and just mixed them together. And to correct her dark spots that are around her mouth, I am using the Huda Beauty Foundation in the color Mocha 500G, and I just apply that all around there, around the dark spots, and I just blend it out.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
I used 3 different concealers for her. Right now I am using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow concealer, and this is in the color 08 Cocoa, and I'm using the darker one to color correct under her eyes, which are also a little dark. And on top of that, I am using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in the color 07, which is Cream Cafe, and I applied a little bit of the Juvia's Place concealer in the number 13.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
While the concealer is drying out, I am going to do liner using the L'Oreal Paris Flash Cat Eye eyeliner, and this is just in black. I went ahead and added her contour before I finished blending her highlight. And for the contour, I used the Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Zambia. I contoured her nose a little bit using the Zulu by Juvia's Place palette, and I just used that dark brown shade in that palette to contour, and I also used that to set her contour on her whole face. And to set her concealer, I used the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color Light Medium, which is number 20. For blush, I used the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette from the Juvia's Place, and I used the color, I mixed two colors. I used the color Tau and Lena together. I'm not sure if I'm saying the first one right, but those the last two colors that I used. And for highlight, I used the Juvia's Place, the Royalty One by Juvia's Loose Highlighter. I also went under her eyes a little bit with that same dark brown shade from the Juvia's Place palette that I used to contour her face. For her lips, first I used the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the color Raw Chocolate at first, but I didn't like it because it was a little bit too light. So I went ahead into the Urban Decay Urban Vices Lip Kit, and I used the dark shade called Hex first, and then I added the color Back Talk on top of it. And I also went on top of that because it was a little bit too dry for me, so I went on top of that with the Maybelline lipstick and the color Chocolate Lust, and that's the combination for her lips that I did. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn your post notifications on to be alerted when I post new videos, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.